Little storyteller.
Mia bounced out of bed. Sunshine peeked through her yellow curtains. She looked in the mirror above her dresser. Her reflection smiled back. "Good morning, Agent Sunny Smile." "Reflection," Mia whispered. "Your mission, make someone happy today." Mia skipped to the kitchen. Her little brother, Leo, sat at the table. He looked a little sad. His toast was plain. "Good morning, Leo," Mia said brightly. Agent Sunny Smile, reporting for duty. Mia grabbed the jar of colorful sprinkles. She carefully sprinkled them on Leo's toast. Blue, pink, and yellow dots made the toast look like a rainbow. Leo's eyes widened. He giggled. "Wow!" Leo took a bite of his sprinkled toast. His smile was as bright as the sun. Mia smiled too. Her mission was a success. Helping others feel happy makes you feel happy too.
Please subscribe. Thank you.